what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Time Flies, Burna featuring Sauti. It's only, I think, 4 chords, so it's an easy song. I'm pretty sure if you'll be able to play this song after you are done with this tutorial. As always, if you have a song that you don't want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube, and I will really appreciate if you did so. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of E, and the intro starts off with an E chord. So you will just hear, that E that plays for like a full bar, and then the intro, the verses and the choruses, the progression is 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6 times 3, 4, 5, 6, then 4, 5, 1, and that's the progression. So the main progression is that 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6 times 3, then 4, 5, 1. That's the main chord progression. The intro now starts with that E. So the chords, the E, this is how I'm holding the E. I'm using my pointer finger on fret 1, string number 3, and then my middle finger is on string number 5, fret 2, and my ring finger is string number 4, fret 2. So this is E chord. The 4 chord, which is A chord. So this chord is A, major chord, bar chord form. So I'm using my pointer finger on the 5th fret. My middle finger is on string number 3, but on the 6th fret. My ring finger, string number 5, on the 7th fret, and my small finger, string number this is string number 4 on the 7th fret. So that's A major chord. Then B chord. So this B chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar across the 7th fret, and then my middle finger is on string number 3 on the 9th fret. My ring finger, 10th fret, string number 5, and my small finger, 10th fret, string number 4. So this is B major chord. And then finally the 6th chord, C sharp minor chord. So C sharp minor chord, I am barring with my pointer finger on the 4th fret, barring string 1 all the way to string 5 with my pointer finger. And then my middle finger is on string number 2 on the 5th fret. My ring finger, string number 4 on the 6th fret, and then my small finger, string number 3 on the 6th fret. So C minor chord. So you can also use, instead of playing the bar chord of A, you can also play the A here. Just play the normal A and the B as so. So those are the chords that are in this song. So as if you listen to the song, maybe you can call it an intro, starts off with the E, then holds on the E rings for like a full bar and a half, and then now you start playing the A, B, C sharp minor, A, B, C sharp minor, A, B, C sharp minor, then A, B, E. That's how you will play the song. So that's it for this tutorial. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you learn from it, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you're new here, subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.